Hey my soulmates, it's Ko here with another stitching edition to SewKo TV. Our beautiful dress form has arrived. First, we must go down memory lane with the very first dress form that I ever received. This beautiful baby is 5 years old. It stood the test of time. As you can see, it's rusting and falling apart, and I had to tape it together just to keep its spirit alive. But I currently don't use this to design on. I only use this mannequin to display my work. I don't use it for any sort of like drafting purposes or anything like that. And it has a lot of reasons. It's falling apart. Once I move it, the latch on the base has broke, so it falls apart all the time. So I had to upgrade her, but I still love her. This is the beautiful upgrade I did a few years ago when I got this one. That same brand discontinued the purple one. So if you have the purple versions of these, you're a real OG because they don't even make them anymore. They discontinued it like years ago. So this gray one is beautiful. I love the adjustable mannequins. You kind of get two mannequins in one because when it's completely closed, you get one size. And then once you open it up and expand it, you get a whole nother size. So that's the beauty in having an adjustable mannequin. I do suggest you get you one. But after upgrading that to this beautiful, beautiful professional dress form, my dreams have come true. Now she came in a beautiful, beautiful big box. I just always find like the beauty and excitement in opening up boxes, especially boxes of like a highly anticipated thing. Mind you, professional dress forms are very expensive. These are not anything you can just wake up and want to do. You have to plan, budget, and save for it. So if you're starting your fashion house, definitely, like I said, start on the lower end dress forms just to get your foot in the door. But once you get up there and once you're able to make these purchases for a professional dress form, definitely invest. They are worth it. Trust me. For the longest, I've done the adjustable mannequins, but sizing universally was always a bit hectic. So now all you have to do is get the professional dress form number, and if your clients are that number, 9 times out of 10 it'll all line up. It'll fit beautifully. Everything will be in line. So we're starting this journey on the professional dress form. So as you can see, it comes beautifully packaged, nice and durable. I didn't have any problems with the shipping. It came really fast. Inside was only about 4 items: the pole, the instructions, the base, which is the rolling alloy, and of course the dress form. I'm so excited, y'all. So this base is very strong and durable. I'm not gonna have any problems with it. I know y'all seen my previous base was a little creepy, but this one, this wrought iron one, is gonna be amazing. Plus it has rolling wheels on it. The wheels are gonna make like transferring your mannequin from like point A to point B so much easier because you don't even have to pick it up. You can just simply roll it on wheels. So that's a huge upgrade to us mannequin lovers and people who need dress forms. I've never had one with wheels on it. So the ones with the wheels on it are like a huge upgrade and a huge plus. So definitely you see the difference in how they're trying to, like, you know, put new upgrades into these dress forms. So now we're going to just open up everything and get everything situated. This spring pole is very durable as well. It's not like plasticky, like cheap almost. It's very like almost like a I want to say like a dressing room pole that hangs the curtains. I don't know. But anyways, now that we have everything open, we're ready to assemble. But quickly, this mannequin came so properly packaged. It was beautiful. As you can see, it came with a thick layer of bubble wrap on the outer shell. But in the inside, it had a nice thick layer of plastic as well. Because I hate to stain the mannequin. Ugh. The dress forms need to stay clean, people. Keep it all clean. So right now we're going to go ahead and assemble. Now, I've assembled these types of mannequins tons of times. So I knew it was like 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and you're done. So basically I'm screwing in the base. As you can see, super strong, super sturdy. Unlike my old one. Ah! Now we're going to sew the, we're going to not sew. where am I going? We're gonna, I'm so used to sewing. We're gonna screw in the oval ball for the base of your neck on your dress form. This is gonna make picking it up, raising it way easier. So just do a test to make sure it's on nice and sturdy, which, beautiful. I love the finish on this. This is crazy. Ugh. Now we're gonna put the pedal in. The pedal is important because this is how you're gonna adjust your mannequin's height. Simply step on the pedal by holding it down, and then it's gonna give you the option to raise the dress form up or down to your desired height. Now, as you can see, the wrought iron is so beautifully like constructed. I just totally I'm super excited. So right now we're gonna screw in the wheels. The wheels are super easy. Again, all it is just a push and snap basically, and it's super secure. I even tried to like pull it out just to see like the durability of it. Didn't have any problems. It went straight in, and it was kind of hard to get out. I didn't even get it out. So once you get that fully assembled, just make sure your pedal doesn't slip off the adjuster, in which mine's did. So once you get that together, look how beautiful that glides across the floor. So we're not gonna have any problems with moving our mannequin from point A to point B, and I'm like over the nightmares of it falling apart because we're upgraded. Now with that being said, look at the construction, look at the axis, look at the seam allowance, look at the apex, and all the beauty in this dress form. If you upgrade your dress forms, or if you're in the market to get these are totally worth it. Totally. This size and cut, and as you can see, it comes with the skirt gate on it, so it'll give the fit and flair of a professional fit. And right now I'm just adjusting it, playing with the height, and once you get it situated, you're good. Now again, get into the stitching, get into the little butt it has. It comes with shape. A lot of my mannequins didn't really have a lot of shape, a lot of really natural curves, but this one did. I was so excited. So the seam allowance and everything on here is beautiful. I love it. I love it. So if you're in the market for one of these, as you know, they're kind of pricey, but they're very important for your fashion house. If you're starting a fashion house like me, you need to get at least one professional dress form. They come in an array of sizes, but get the one you closely work on, like mostly work on. Currently, I do work on 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, but you want to make sure you get these when you're ready to get these, because like I said, they're kind of pricey, but so worth the investment. So here you have it, our newest professional dress form. Stay tuned to SewKo TV to see what beautiful garments we create. Got something in mind? Get in the comments. Let me know. Let's sew, my soulmates.